Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ledger Nano S Plus to your MacBook. First, ensure your Ledger device has the most recent firmware installed for optimal performance and security. Next, download and install the official Ledger Live application directly onto your MacBook. This essential software acts as your gateway to managing your crypto assets. Finally, use the original USB-C to USB-A cable that came with your device to establish a reliable physical connection. This ensures proper data transfer and power delivery. Once Ledger Live is installed, open the application on your MacBook. You will be guided through a straightforward setup process. If it's a new device, you'll initialize it. If you're restoring, you'll use your recovery phrase. It's crucial to create a unique, strong PIN code for your device. Most importantly, write down your 24-word recovery phrase on the provided recovery sheet and store it in a safe, private location. Never share this phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your funds. With your Ledger Nano S Plus connected and set up, you can now install various cryptocurrency applications directly onto the device using Ledger Live. For example, if you want to manage Bitcoin, you'll install the Bitcoin app. After installing the necessary apps, add accounts for your chosen cryptocurrencies within Ledger Live. When sending or receiving funds, always double-check all transaction details, including the recipient address and amount, directly on your Ledger Nano S Plus screen before pressing the confirmation buttons. This critical step prevents errors and enhances security. Should you encounter any connection issues, first try using a different USB port on your MacBook or a different USB-C to USB-A cable. Sometimes, other applications running in the background can interfere with the USB connection, so try closing unnecessary programs. For ongoing security and functionality, consistently update both your Ledger Live software and your Ledger Nano S Plus device firmware. These updates often include critical security patches and new features. Remember, your recovery phrase is the master key to your funds, so protect it diligently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.